Hello everyone, thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Rio Grande, in the northern part of the Villages. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom cottage series home offered at $319,000. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello and welcome everyone. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Rio Grande, in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom cottage series home that is wood framed. It is offered at $319,000. The roof was replaced in the year 2018. The HVAC system was replaced in the year 2021. It is a split floor plan home. I will start by taking a panoramic view of the street. The back of this home does face northeast, and panning to my left, that is facing north-northwest. Panning to the right, that is facing south-southeast. This home does have a very deep setback. It has a painted concrete driveway. It is a wood-framed home, very mature landscaping as well. As always, friends, you can contact the listing agent, Karen Kamperman, if you have any questions about this home. You can also contact the showing agent. His name is Don, and I will include his contact information in the description of the video. As I walk up to this home, you do notice that their sidewalk is painted. So the same as the driveway. And I will walk into this home and show you what this home has to offer. Hello, Don. Can you tell us a little bit about this house?
Yes, I can, Tim. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath Maverick, and the bond is paid, and it's been totally redone.
Okay, thanks, Don. I will take a walk through the house and I'll describe what I see to my subscribers. Thank you.
Sure.
Here I am in the foyer area, and the foyer does have a tile floor. The first thing I notice is this beautiful laminate wood floor in the living and dining area. This home does have knockdown textured cathedral ceilings. It also has 2 solar tubes. This home is very neutrally decorated. It has very many upgrades. Off to the right of the foyer area, you do have an updated kitchen area. Those are beautiful granite countertops with glass tile backsplash as well. You do see it has brushed stainless hardware. It has an electric range as well. The tile backsplash is beautiful. You can see that. It has 1 bowl stainless sink as well. You do see the upgraded stainless appliances. I will take a video of the specification sheet. This home is located at 405 Santa Clara Circle, here in the village of Rio Ponderosa. List price $319,000. You can feel free to pause the video at any point to read the specification sheet of this home. Has many upgrades, a roof in 2018, HVAC in 2021. There are your room dimensions. Your living room is 15 by 24. I will continue this tour, and I will walk to the left side of this home. There is a guest quarters on this side of the home. There are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. That bathroom is recently upgraded. It has tile floors, granite countertops, white cabinets, brushed stainless hardware. There is a solar tube in the roof of that bathroom as well. This shower is awesome. Upgraded tile shower with glass tile accents. Very nice. It has a sliding glass frameless door on that shower as well. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate To the back of the home, you do have a guest bedroom with the laminate floors in it. Knockdown textured ceilings as well. I will spin around and show you what this bedroom looks like. Very neutrally decorated and neutral paint. Looks like the switches have been upgraded as well. To the front of the home is another guest bedroom, laminate tile floors. Actually, laminate floors. This bedroom does have raised panel bifold doors on the closet as well. It has a closet organizer there, wire rack shelf there as well. This is a split bedroom design home. I will walk out into the Lanais area, sliding glass door into the Lanais. The back of this home does face northeast, tile floors in that Lanais, lots of windows. This is a temperature controlled Lanais. Right there is a HVAC duct in that Lanais. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Looks like the sprinklers are on right now. I cannot really go outside and give you a very good view of the backyard, but you do see there is nobody that lives right behind you. There are utilities back there, so nobody will build behind you. Next, I will go into the rest of this home. I will show you the primary bedroom, which is on the opposite side of the home as the guest quarters. That is your primary bedroom there. Laminate floors, very large window, knockdown textured ceilings. Even the base molding looks a little wider than normal. That primary bathroom also has been upgraded. Tiled floors, granite countertop, new vanity, one sink. There is a solar tube also in that home, in that bathroom. You do see it has an upgraded shower as well. I believe that's a 48-inch shower. It is tiled. Looks like the same tile and glass accent as the guest shower as well. Here's your pantry area in that primary bathroom. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Next, I will walk into the walk-in closet in the primary bedroom. There is your walk-in closet. Laminate floors continuing. Has a recessed light. Wire rack shelf as well. There is a better look at your cathedral ceiling with knockdown texture, your two solar tubes. The kitchen area is awesome. Those are extra tall cabinets as well on the top. I believe they are 42-inch cabinets. Give you extra storage. This would be your pantry off your kitchen. Let's take a look at the pantry. There's your pantry. Tile floors are continuing in that pantry. To the right, you do see a 1.5 car garage with concrete floor. It does have a sink. There are windows in that garage door as well. The laundry is in the garage. That HVAC system was replaced in the year 2021. It has pegboard for organizing your tools. That is your hot water heater there. Next, I will walk back into the home. I will show you one last view of this kitchen, recessed lighting in the kitchen, knockdown texture. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Feel free to contact your listing agent, Karen Kamperman, or your showing agent today, Don. I will include his information as well. I will walk back out into the street of this home. I will take a panoramic view of the street. That's facing right. friends. As always, if you have questions, contact either your listing agent, Karen Kamperman, or your showing agent, Don, and I will include his information in the description of this video. I'll give you one last panoramic view of this home here in the village of Rio Ponderosa. There it is, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, cottage series home, 1.5 car garage. List price, $319,000. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care.